To cash out from Cash App to Apple Pay, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Then select Cash Out. Choose the amount you want to transfer, or enter a custom amount. Next, select the destination for your funds. In this case, Apple Pay. If you have not linked your Apple Pay account to Cash App before, you will need to add it as a bank account. You can do this by selecting Other Bank and searching for Apple Pay, or by using the account and routing numbers provided by Apple for Apple Pay. To find the account and routing numbers for Apple Pay, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple Cash card. Then tap on the three dots and select Account Details. This will display the account and routing numbers you need to enter into Cash App. Once you have linked your Apple Pay account to Cash App, you can proceed with the transfer. Review the transfer details, including the amount and destination, to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the transfer by tapping the Cash Out button. Keep in mind that transfer times may vary depending on the type of transfer you select. Standard transfers are free and take 1 to 3 business days, while instant transfers incur a fee and are available immediately. It is also important to note that there may be limits on the amount you can transfer from Cash App to Apple Pay, so be sure to check your account limits before initiating a transfer. Additionally, ensure that your Apple Pay account is active and has sufficient space to receive the transferred funds. By following these steps, you can easily transfer funds from Cash App to Apple Pay, allowing you to use your money with Apple Pay for purchases, online transactions, or other financial activities.